Well, I ordered a Radeon R9 Fury X from eBay, and the seller posted that Gigabyte Fury X in excellent condition, used for gaming, and has never been overclocked or used for mining. Warranty through 4/13/2019. To clarify, he said it was in excellent condition. Now, anybody that has a Fury, if you listen, you can hear that pump. That's not normal. I have two Furies downstairs in my primary machine. This is just my upstairs machine, just the machine I use for when I'm upstairs, not doing any video coding or any research or whatever. And both of the Furies I have downstairs do not make this noise. I was a little concerned when I first plugged it in because I figured, okay, well, maybe the pump went bad and maybe the hardware is damaged. But I'm running a benchmark of sorts. Fallout 4 seems to be fine. It's running 52C. That's not bad. That's nowhere near the thermal limit of the card. I initiated a return with the seller, and I want to see how he responds. This backup machine is a Asus Crosshair 5, I believe, Formula Z, AM3 Plus motherboard with a FX 9590 Vishera CPU at 4.7, 16 gigs of RAM. Previously, I had a trusty old 290 OC. Had this card for 4 years. Great little card. Still runs Skyrim Special Edition, obviously. Actually still runs GTA 5 online. And still runs Fallout 4, just not ultra settings. This Fury, you'll run everything on ultra. But for those of you that are wondering, that is the sound of a defective Fury X water pump. Radiator seems fine. Fan is spinning. It's not really hot to the touch. The LEDs, the throttle tack there is working just fine. So let's see where this goes. I have never heard or seen anyone post anything on YouTube of a Fury X that had a bad pump. So now I know. It's possible that when the seller shipped this card, the post office may have damaged it, but it was in the original shipping box. I think dude was a smoker too, because I'm smelling cigarette smoke. It could have been damaged by the post office, but I have two other Furies. Neither of them took any damage in their original shipping containers, boxes. They're pretty well protected. So, I don't know. Anybody has any feedback, feel free to post it. But there we go. That's the sound of a Fury X pump in the throes of death. Comments welcome.